Hi, my name is Murilo, and in this short video I'll quickly show you how to seat your guests individually. From the guest seating page, you will be able to see a list of your confirmed and checked-in guests on the left-hand side. You can filter the guest and define the sort order from the top of the list. Click on top of the guest you want to seat to select them, and then click on top of the seat where you want to allocate that guest and press Save Changes. Please note that +1 guests are seated directly to the right or to the left of the main guest, depending on the seating direction you configured for the table. Currently, it is not possible to separate +1s from the main guest. When seating your guests with +1s, make sure enough seats are available at the table. If you try to seat a guest with +1s without enough open seats available at the table, a message will pop up relaying that not enough seats are available. Clicking on a guest on the seating plan gives you the option to unseat or reseat that guest. If you choose to unseat, the guest will be unseated, but if you click on Reseat, the guest will be removed from that seat but will remain selected, so you can just click on the other seat where you want to move that guest to. After clicking on a guest, you also have the option to click on the three dots in the lower corner of the guest card to view more information about that guest. If you have any further questions, please email our team at support@zkipster.com. Thank you for watching.